Some examples or in management jargon, few case studies. We will then discuss professional services infrastructure in management consulting. Now we already know what is management consulting, what kind of services, specializations you can have management consulting, and so on and so forth. Next, we will quickly discuss what is the need for management consultants because of this shift in market region focus, and we will quickly talk about what is the need for management students also. Right. So, first of all, we all eat at a restaurant or a hotel, right?
Yes, sir.
So, who cooks the food for us? Chef, right? So, chef basically is cooking the food for us. Okay. Now, I will try to relate this example to information technology industry in India. Okay. The restaurant you saw, there were foreigners sitting and eating and dining, right? Who are basically the clients of information technology companies. So most of the information technology company clients are situated in US, Europe, or other developed economies. But now there is a twist in a story, right? So the twist is, now cook is hungry. So the developed economies which were actually providing software coders, developers, sometime back, body shoppers, you may have heard of this word. Now, they are developing their own market. To give you an example, in countries like India, which is a developing economy, we have a good market for accounting package, like Tally. We have a good market for Microsoft Office products, which are office automation products. Okay, so now cook is hungry. On the same backdrop, I will continue. Everybody knows this company, Hewlett Packard, right? What are they into? Laptops. Okay. Hardware is only one part of their business. The major part of business that they are doing is information technology services and consulting. Okay. Hewlett Packard is an almost 16,000 crore company only in India, and their target is to reach 20,000 crore by 2010. Okay, and multinational company from US. Okay. Now I am trying to show you a revenue by region for the year 2008. As you can see, majority of its revenue is coming from outside US. Okay, so almost 60% is coming outside. Home country is US, but revenue of only 40% is coming from US. The other revenue is basically coming from other regions like Europe, Middle East, Africa, and Asia Pacific region. Everybody knows this company, right? IBM, International Business Machines. It is into what business?
Software.
Right? Information technology. They were into which business earlier?
Hardware.
Started with computer hardware, now moved to computer software. Entire computer hardware business sold to whom?
Lenovo.
Excellent. Lenovo. And now they are operating only on computer servers. Rest is all services. IBM, again, IBM India employs almost 73,000 employees only in India. IBM worldwide is around $1 trillion company. I don't know how many zeros are there, but $1 trillion company, a huge company, okay, a multinational, again from United States. IBM is finding 10% annual growth in 50 countries in which it operates. 50 countries, okay, and 2008, 7, 9 is a period where everybody knows global recession, right? And now you call it recovery or whatever it is. Still, 50 countries, 10% growth is huge. Okay? Now, again, revenue by geographic region. Majority is still coming out from countries other than United States. Right? And only 43% revenue coming from Americas, that is US, Canada and all. Okay? Multinational company from United States. Now let's look at some Indian examples. Everybody knows Infosys, right? revenue dominated by North America, 62%. And this percentage figure for this year may be say around 60% or whatever. Still we can say that the revenue is still dominated by North America. And the rest is coming from Europe, India and the rest of the world. We'll see one more example. Geographic segmentation of revenue generated by Infosys. Again, if you see the percentages, good point is from 71% in 2004, it's now coming towards around 62% by 2008 and probably will go down further. Why? Because the focus is changing. Again, the rest of it is dominated by Europe, rest of the world and India, very minimal. The rest of the world and India, if you see the percentage, around same level, not much difference, right? Again, one more example, probably one of the earliest information technology success stories from India, Tata Consultancy Services, and India's biggest information technology services provider. Almost a similar story. Half of its revenue still dominated by Americas. Rest again coming from UK, Europe and other countries. Indian companies which are actually now multinationals dominating revenue from United States. American companies, HP, IBM, revenue is reducing from United States. And what is the change? You'll see. Everybody knows, right? Wipro. Probably much more balanced than other information technology companies. Why? If you see the revenue figures or percentages, India is accounting for almost 20%. Why? Because Wipro is also into computer hardware, right? And again, US still in the range of 40 to 50%. Still we can say it's dominating, right? What basically I'm talking about is the shift is moving from developed economies like United States or Europe to developing economies like countries like BRIC countries, Brazil, Russia, India, China, right? So this is a shift in market region focus. Now let's have a quick look at what are the professional services infrastructure, and management consulting is just one of the service out of it. Broadly we can categorize into 8 types of professional services. Management consulting, we just understood what is management consulting and scope for it. Management development and training, again a big industry in itself. You may have heard of MDP, management development programs, right? Same industry. Engineering consulting, you may have heard of engineers providing turnkey solutions, consultancy in setting up the entire infrastructure for organization and things like that. Investment banking, and especially because of subprime crisis, Lehman Brothers, you know this industry better. Information technology, again professional service. Legal services, and probably one of the upcoming business process outsource nowadays. Legal process outsourcing. Okay, upcoming. Then this is popular. Audit, accounting, tax and advisory. So companies like PwC, PricewaterhouseCoopers, same business. So this is an professional services infrastructure. Under every professional service, because of this change in region focus, there are huge opportunities for consultants in every field. Okay, specifically for information technology industry. So consulting assistance can be given in number of ways. Sarvade sir actually talked about it.